Mastering sentence correction on the GMAT. Hello, future GMAT takers. Today, we're diving deep into one of the most critical sections of the GMAT verbal component, sentence correction. If you found this topic tricky or just want some tips to enhance your approach, you're in the right place. Let's boost those scores together. Sentence correction questions test your ability to identify and correct errors in sentence structure, grammar, and punctuation. You'll be presented with a sentence, part of which or the entire sentence is underlined. Your task is to choose the best version of the underlined portion from the given options. Key takeaways. It's about clarity and correctness, not style. Your ear is a valuable tool, but understanding the rules is crucial. When approaching sentence correction, it's essential to know common error categories. 1. Subject-verb agreement. The subject and verb in a sentence must agree in number. 2. The dogs bark versus the dog barks. 3. Modifiers. Modifiers must be placed next to the word or words they modify. 4. Eating ice cream, the sun felt hot. Incorrect. 5. Eating ice cream, I felt the sun was hot. Correct. 6. Parallelism. Elements in a list or series should be in the same grammatical form. 7. She likes reading, to swim, and biking. Incorrect. 8. She likes reading, swimming, and biking. Correct. 9. Comparatives and superlatives. Ensure correct usage of comparative and superlative forms. 10. He is more smarter than her. Incorrect. 11. He is smarter than her. Correct. 12. Idiomatic expressions. Some phrases are correct not by rules but by standard usage. 13. Insist to go, incorrect, versus insist on going, correct. 1. Read the entire sentence first. Before jumping to the answer choices, read the entire sentence to get the context. 2. Identify the error. After reading, try to identify any glaring errors in the underlined portion. 3. Eliminate wrong answer choices. Start by eliminating options that clearly don't fix the identified error. 4. Check for conciseness. If two choices are grammatically correct, the shorter and more direct one is usually the best pick. 5. Trust your ear, but verify. If an option sounds right, it often is. However, ensure it aligns with grammar rules. Like all GMAT sections, practice makes perfect for sentence correction. Use official guides and trusted resources to practice with real GMAT questions. Review explanations for both correct and incorrect answers. Time yourself to simulate the real testing experience. There you have it, a comprehensive guide to tackling sentence correction questions on the GMAT. Remember, it's all about understanding the rules, practicing consistently, and honing your intuition. We believe in you. Best of luck with your GMAT preparations. We hope this video brings you one step closer to your dream score. See you in the next one.